Apple's iPhone 15 series debut is still months away, but the rumor mill is churning out leaks and speculations regarding the future iPhones. The iPhone 14 brought satellite connection to Apple's smartphone in the form of the emergency SOS through satellite feature. One of its partners has hinted that new satellite-centric capabilities may be on the coming for the iPhone 15. Globalstar, Apple's satellite connection partner, has been highlighting these possibilities in a recent FCC filing. In particular, the business has struck back against claims from T-Mobile and SpaceX, who stated they will be providing satellite internet to current devices. Globalstar responded by emphasizing that the iPhone 14's emergency SOS via satellite feature relies on MSS to power its emergency communications. According to the business, customers may initiate emergency calls, and the transceiver provides two-way messaging between users and emergency services. Apple's emergency SOS versus satellite battle is going underway. You can't simply transmit anything through a satellite link. Bandwidth is limited, and the feature only allows you to send the bare minimum, such as your location and what the emergency is, which is fine for emergency situations. But there is potential for satellite communications in a more casual setting when lives aren't in danger, which means your messages are sent via satellite, which sends them to the recipient as a normal text message. It also works in reverse, allowing you to keep in contact even if there is only one active satellite connection. It's precisely the type of feature that might appear in future iPhones, potentially as early as the iPhone 15. The transceiver already allows two-way communications, with infrastructure in place to deliver messages from the satellite. It is one thing to ensure people can contact emergency services when there is no cell service, but it appears there are plans to expand the iPhone's satellite capabilities, and it will be interesting to see how the emergency SOS via satellite feature evolves over the coming years. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.